BMNR stock analysis for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So with Bitmine Immersion technologies at $65 level with 54 cents, I've seen such a crazy correction today. 41% correction is just absolutely crazy, but it's kind of realistic since we had like some of the craziest pumps up lately. I mean, there's nothing wrong with me waiting here for a long. I just never got the rules met, you know. All we did today is we open up, gapped up, and then started crashing. There's no opportunity for me to try and long this. And how my deal looks like from here on is that the whole thing here for me is a demand zone. And this definitely could be something that I would look for, you know, to further buy. But if I do not see the price giving me any sort of that shift here, then bro, I guess I'm not going to be buying. You know what I mean? So that's how BMNR is looking like. I have like, all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules. And yeah, that's how it's actually looking like. And I have like 3 results in the disk, right? I know 40% down. What I'm not going to do is immediately buy. So waiting for confirmation and keeping you updated. And now if you want to stay tuned and get picks, click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people already visited, enrolled,